Combat.
Great experience coming here. You see lot of tech enthusiasts, everyone working here, and we didn't even sleep for even a minute during the night. We were just coding and coding. It's kind of going back to the college days when you just you don't have to worry about anything, just your work, coding, and having fun as well. It was not that you were just working, you were having fun as well, and so many people around. It was very fun, enthusiastic sort of activity. Really liked being here. Really good experience.
I would like to say this was a really great experience. It was the first time at Geek Combat, and I would like to say the highlight was Pulse and the garam chai ki value in the morning, man.
I've been to many hackathons, many meetups, Thoughtworks meetups and all. So again, it was quite a new experience for me. So you are solving some problem and you are you able to find a solution within 3 hours or 4 hours, and you clap and you celebrate. So that's a kind of good thing that ideally we should be doing in our offices as well. So that's a wonderful thing that I like. And even that 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. you don't have to talk, so you just have to focus on the work. So that's a good thing that even we are thinking that we should also implement in our office.
It was a really nice experience attending this hackathon. We had some ideas in mind and we decided that we'll go around with that idea, but when we came over here, we again brainstormed and figure out that probably we may come up with a better solution, and we again changed our ideas, and given the kind of application we were designing, it seemed simple that given this 1.5 days it'll be enough for us, but later on we realized we were running short of time, and then we geared up, and Puneet and Vinay really didn't sleep the whole night, and we were more or less done with that app, barring a few misses over here and there. Otherwise I will say it's quite complete. Free food was really very nice, and apart from that, the logistics, everything, sleeping arrangement for sleeping over here is really very nice.
So this was my first hackathon in Noida, so I was not really sure about how it's gonna be, but it has been really a good experience for me, and this is like my third hackathon in last 1 month, and I found this to be one of the best. They had all the facilities a hackathon could give to people like us. They had this amazing gaming zone, a nap room, you can rest when you are really exhausted, and then those meeting rooms so that you can really discuss and bootstrap your project.
Project-wise, initially when we came, we were like, 2 days, 1 night, and a day, we will really be able to complete it in time. And then at around 12 o'clock at night, we realized that, there's so much to do. And then we again, tried hard, and finally we managed to complete it. But yeah, kind of a little challenging, but yeah, good experience. Seriously.
Passion of the team was amazing. It was really heartening, and I think we'll do more events like this in future. So good job, guys. Great job.